Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva. See, this is 12th standard maths, state board, chapter 10, differential equation, exercise 10.7, fourth sum. X square plus 1 into dy by dx plus 2xy equal to root of x square plus 4. We can bring it into the linear equation, differential equation form, that is nothing but dy by dx plus py equal to q. So, you divide this value throughout x square plus 1, divide x square plus 1 both the sides. See here, dy by dx plus 2xy by x square plus 1 equal to root of x square plus 4 by x square plus 1. This is of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. It is nothing but what? This is linear in y. This is linear. This is linear in y. This is linear in y. Then you will write the value of p. What is the value of p? P is nothing but the coefficient of y. Coefficient of y. P equal to, what is the coefficient of y? 2x by x square plus 1. 2x by x square plus 1. What is the value of q? Q equal to root of x square plus 4 by x square plus 1. X square plus 4 by x square plus 1. Now we move on to the integrating factor. Integrating factor is e power integral p dx. First you should find out integral p dx. It's nothing but p value is what? 2x by x square plus 1 into dx. See the denominator. Whenever x square and x terms comes, you have to check the differentiation of the denominator. See, the differentiation of x square is what? 2x. Differentiation of 1 is 0. Differentiation of x square you are getting in numerator. Constant term 1 become 0. So, you differentiate the denominator, you are getting the value of the numerator log of. So, integral p dx equal to log of modulus of x square plus 1. Then integrating factor I dot f. Integrating factor equal to e power integral p dx. E power integral p dx equal to e power log of modulus of x square plus 1. E power log value is 1. So, you are getting the value modulus of x square plus 1. The value is what? X square plus 1. Now, we move on to the general solution. General solution equal to y into e power integral p dx equal to integral q e power integral p dx plus c. So, general solution y into e power integral p dx, that is integrating factor is x square plus 1 equal to integral. What is the value of q? Q equal to root of x square plus 4 by x square plus 1 into integrating factor e power integral p dx. Integrating factor is what? X square plus 1 into dx. So, x square plus 1 get cancelled. Y into x square plus 1 equal to integral x square plus 4 into dx. So, what is the formula for integral? Root of x square plus a square into dx. It gives x by 2 root of x square plus a square by 2 plus a square by 2 log of modulus of x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. X square plus a square plus c. integral root of x square plus a square into dx equal to x by 2 root of x square plus a square by 2 log of modulus of x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. See the general solution. General solution y into x square plus 1 equal to integral x square integral root of x square plus 2 square into dx. So, we apply the formula integral root of x square plus a square. So, y into x square plus 1 equal to x by 2 root of x square plus 2 square plus a square by 2, that is 2 square by 2, a square by 2 log of modulus of x plus root of x square plus 2 square plus c, x square plus 2 square plus c. See here, y into x square plus 1 equal to x by 2 root of x square plus 2 square, or you will write 4 plus 2 into log of modulus of x plus root of x square plus 4 plus c is the required differential equation. See the fifth sum, 2x minus 10y cube into dy plus y dx equal to 0. See, you can bring it into the form of a linear equation. Y dx equal to minus of 2x minus 10 y cube into dy. Y dx equal to minus of 2x minus 10 y cube into dy. Y dx equal to minus 2x plus 10 y cube into dy. 10 y cube into dy. Y into dx by dy. Y into dx by dy equal to minus 2x plus 10 y cube throughout divided by y. What is the value we are getting? See, dx by dy equal to minus 2x by y equal to minus 2x by y plus 10 y cube by y. 10 y cube by y get cancelled. So, dx by dy equal to minus 2x by y plus 10 y square. See, this is linear in y. Previously, this is linear in y. Previously, we have seen, this is linear in x because dx by dy. So, this is linear in x. If it is linear in x, you should bring this term to this side because we want to see the coefficient of x value is p and q value is equal to the sign. Equal to the constant value, you can take it as a q. Coefficient of x is nothing but a p. The same way we see here, previously we have seen linear in y, coefficient of y value equal to p. Now we are doing dx by dy. Previously we have done dy by dx. So, dx by dy plus 2x by y equal to 10 y square. Dx by dy plus 2x by y equal to 10 y square. This is linear in x. This is linear in x because dx. So, this is linear in x. What is the value of p? P is nothing but a coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is nothing but 2 by y. Coefficient of x value is 2 by y. That is the value of p. Q equal to 10 y square. q equal to 10y square. Integrating factor, integral p dx, this is linear in y, integral p dy linear in x. So integral p dy equal to integral 2 by y into dy, 2 by y into dy. So 2 is constant, you can take it out, 1 by y into dy, 1 by y into dy. See, integral p dy equal to 2 into integral 1 by y into dy. It's nothing but what? 2 into log of mod y, 2 into log of mod y, according to the power rule, log of mod y square. Integrating factor equal to e power integral p dy, equal to e power log of mod y square. E power log value is 1, so we are getting the value y square. What is the general solution? General solution equal to x into e power integral p dy, x into e power integral, because this is linear in x. So x into e power integral p dy equal to integral q e power integral p dy dy plus c, x into e power integral p dy equal to integral q into e power integral p dy dy plus c. So the value of q equal to 10 y square we can substitute here. See the general solution equal to, because this is linear in x, x into e power integral p dy, e power integral p dy is nothing but y square equal to integral q is 10 y square, e power integral p dy is y square dy, it gives integral 10 y power 4 into dy, 10 is constant, so you can take it out, integral y power 4 into dy, it gives 10 y power 5 by 5 plus c, because x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So xy square equal to 5 1s are 5 2s are. So general solution x y square equal to 2y power 5 plus c is the required differential equation. See the sixth sum, x sin x into dy by dx plus x cos x plus sin x into y equal to sin x. See, it is given like this, dy by dx, so this is linear in y. So you divide x sin x throughout. See here, dy by dx plus x cos x plus sin x by x sin x into y equal to sin x by x sin x. This is linear in y. It is in a form of dy by dx plus py equal to q. So what is the coefficient of y? The value is nothing but p. P equal to x cos x plus sin x by x sin x. What is the value of q? Q equal to sin x get cancelled. The value is 1 by x. What is the next one? Integrating factor. Integral P dx. Integral P dx equal to integral x cos x plus sin x by x cos x plus sin x by x sin x into dx. See the denominator, you can differentiate by using the product rule. U v dash plus v u dash. X into sin x differentiation is cos x plus v sin x into x differentiation is 1, or otherwise you can take it as, see here, x sin x equal to t. X sin x equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x on both the sides. X terms are there, two x terms are there, so you can use it as a product rule. You can apply uv formula, that is uv dash plus v u dash. X into differentiation of sin x is cos x plus sin x is differentiation of x is what? 1 into dx equal to dt. Dx equal to dt. So, x cos x plus sin x into dx equal to dt. So, integral p dx equal to integral x cos x plus sin x into dx equal to dt by t. Dt by t. It gives log of mod t. So, log of, what is the value of t? We kept it there, x sin x, you replace it, x sin x, t value is x sin x, then integrating factor. Integrating factor equal to e power integral p dx equal to e power log of modulus of x sin x. E power log value is 1. So, the integrating factor answer is what? X sin x. What is the general solution? General solution, y e power integral p dx. Y e power integral p dx equal to integral q e power integral p dx dx plus c. Q e power integral p dx dx plus c. See the general solution, y into e power integral p dx. E power integral p dx is what? X sin x. E power integral p dx is x sin x equal to integral q. Q value is 1 by x. Q is nothing but what? 1 by x. E power integral p dx. E power integral p dx is x sin x into dx. X sin x into dx. X get cancelled. So, yx sin x equal to integral yx sin x equal to integral sin x into dx. So, yx sin x equal to integral sin x is nothing but what? Minus cos x plus c. Yx sin x equal to minus cos x plus c. Yx sin x equal to minus cos x plus c is the required general differential equation, because integration of sin x is minus cos x plus c is the required differential equation. I hope you enjoyed, children. See, to receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.